and put this on.
So tell me what you're doing. Are you swinging in the snow? Can you sing the song for us? Jingle bells, we're swinging in the snow. Here we are at the Great Gollum Sled Hill. Must be an elevation of at least, maybe 10 feet. I don't know. Yeah, 10, 15 feet maybe. There goes Charlie. All right, buddy. Waiting for her turn. Wave to me, Josephine.
I'm rolling down the hill.
Huh?
I'm rolling down the hill.
You're rolling down the hill. Okay, Josephine's rolling down the hill. They love to roll down the hill. Okay, Grandma and Charlie are making snow cones. Snow cones with real snow.
Okay, so why don't you give them to the appropriate people?
There you go. Already did it.
Does Gabriella know how to open presents?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, let's see you open the present.
Yay.
Start opening?
Look what I got.
What is it?
Vatican and the volcano. Okay, who wants this stuff?
Me, I put it in my hair. Look, I'm a pirate.
I have 2 nail polish. One purple and one pink.
Do you want a wrist bow? Want a bow on your wrist? No? Okay. You want me to open it? Why me? Well, if I'm going to open it, it has to be Santa. Has it got your name on it? Okay, come here. What is it, Charlie? Gabrielle, come here.
We have the CD. I don't think we have the
Oh.
Here we go.
I do not have
Winner take all. Home ball. So.
Don't tell them that we'll use the scissors. I want you putting holes in the socks. So just leave it for now.
Charlie, please don't put a hole in
Don't put the sock.
Charlie.
Why don't you let me...
Here, let me get
Okay.
you. Want your other one?
Check. I gotta go by.
Go ahead.
Look at those socks with little kitties on them. Little kitty socks.
Those are pretty.
as much unwrapping as I can get.
Oh, good.
Thank you, she said. Who said thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know who said thank you. Hey, ooh.
Up there. What is it?
It's 2010 one.
Just what you wanted, right? All right. It's always better, Princess. Remember that.
Yeah.
Never be sad about a small thing. That's right.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're the best.
Yeah, because like sometimes like small things could be like a camera.
Yeah.
And
jewelry.
And a big thing could just be like
A box. Clothes.
Full of
Shoes. Yeah.
Clothes.
Big, yeah.
a rug, a folded up rug.
Awesome with the
And I
socks
got way
and
down
the-
Wonder how many more.
Grandma and say
Go get Grandma a rug and say
No,
thank
they did a
you.
little.
I wonder how many more layers she can get on.
Very awesome, Gabrielle.
Josephine, you go hug Grandma.
Yay!
Give Harvey a hug.
Or give me a hug.
High five.
Say thank you. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Thank you.
Ones and 3 little blue ones.
I don't know how that came out in the picture, but we'll see.
Show me how you try.
Cinderella, it looks like. There's the fairy godmother.
And those are little fingers for you, like.
Inside of the gift. So that's
Yeah.
the gift.
That's one of
And
the
there you can see their initials, each one's initial.
They made the box.
See who contributed.
Very
cool. They worked, this was all them.
Okay.
Awesome. And there's something inside? Oh, guys,
It's something that we gave last.
this is the best present ever.
Whoa.
The best present ever.
Yeah.
Well, a picture of you guys.
What is it? What is
Whatever
it?
it is,
And
it
it's
smells
The
good.
picture is what the thing is. It was them
Oh,
creating.
it's the chocolate cover and everything covered pretzels. Oh my gosh. Oh, smell that,
I can't wait
Harp.
till dinner's done.
Oh,
Yeah.
you
Show us
guys,
the-
wait till you give them a...
Can you put your...
1 minute so Harvey can take your picture. There you
Oh,
go. Smile.
perfect.
Smile.
Josephine.
Perfect, Gabriella. It's perfect.
Yeah, put it on, Josephine. Put your necklace
Let
on,
me help you
Josephine.
with the thing a little bit. Here, let me help you now. So I think it's probably not very hard.
What does it say?
There we go.
Oh, aren't you pretty? Look at that.
Go give Grandma a thank you hug.
Did you like it?
I like
No.
The musician,
a pee-pee.
Daddy the relaxing man, next to Bronco Boy.